Alright, so today we're going to look at an actual circuit, a basic simple circuit, which is a series circuit. And we're going to look at this circuit and see how resistance affects a series circuit. So here we have two resistors in series with a LED, and the LED requires a certain amount of current to flow through it in order for it to be active. According to the data sheets and on the internet, it requires only 20 milliamps. We have this green LED and it needs a certain amount of current. Remember from one of the previous videos I posted, if you haven't watched it, you can go back to my VCR circuits playlist at DIY doables in particular video, so that you could get an understanding of how resistance affects current in a series circuit. Resistance of these two resistors is small enough, then the LED should turn on. So let's see how this is going to work. So as you can see, the resistance of this series circuit is so low that it's allowing enough current to flow through the circuit, light up the LED. And if you don't understand these basic things that I'm mentioning to you about how current is flowing through the circuit, I need you to go back to my page and look at the videos at VCR circuits playlist. And that'll explain more. Let me dim the light a little bit more. Okay. So as you can see, with this amount of resistance, which is 320 ohms, according to what I've measured, then we get the LED to stay on because there's enough current to flow through it. Now we're going to introduce a new, bigger resistance and see how that affects the LED. Alright, so now we've introduced a resistor with a larger value, and it is a 100,000 ohm resistor. So now we're going to connect the power to see how this will affect the LED. So as you can see, the LED is not on at all because of that 100,000 ohm resistor. The 100,000 ohm resistor has limited the current so much to the point that the LED just won't light up. So to prove this theory, let's remove the 100,000 ohm resistor and apply the power to the first series circuit to see how it works, and to prove the theory that the higher the resistance, lower the current. Lower the resistance, the higher the current. Okay, so we're removing the 100,000 ohm resistor. We're going to apply the power to that circuit, and the green light comes on.